guys, back with the video. Today we are playing 1v1. There we go. That's just that. Where should I put you guys? I don't know. Hi guys, back with the video. Today it is gaming. Today we are playing 1v1. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe and give a like. I really like it if you do that. So now we're just playing right now. I have to find the thing. 1v1. So I put in 1v1 and we are obviously going there. So you're still there, guys? Please still there. Please be there. Watch the whole video. This is fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here's my mouse. You already know. Here's my keyboard. And here is my mouse. Yeah. That's my mouse right over there. So now I'm just gonna put you guys right over here or something. So put you guys right over here. Now I'm just gonna play. Please sit there, sit there. Sit there. Now we are playing. My name is Mr. Savage Umar. So let's hit him. So we are heading in. Okay. What? Okay, so let's write 1v1 right now. So let's write 1v1 again. 1v1 again. Okay, so now we can play. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe, please. We are just waiting for people to head in. Because now there's 2 people. We'll play like 2 to 4 rounds or so. I don't know. Or more. So now it's 8 out of 8. Now we can play. One more, okay. That is it. But now we're playing. Am I landing on it? Oh, I'm not. Okay, he's hitting me. He's hitting me. He doesn't. Oh my god, okay. There we go. Who cares? So now we are going for another round. Let's see if we could like do a hack if like. The thing is, if they're like far away, I use the second gun. Number 2 gun. The number 2 gun is like you can shoot people from far away. The first one is the shotgun, and the F is breaking. So please enjoy and give a like and subscribe. Make sure when you hit the like button, hit it, smash it. I don't care what you do, but just hit the like button. I really appreciate it. He does not see me. He's dead now. How did that not hit? He's dead now. Oh no, he's gonna hit me. Hold on, give him a late. I killed one. Let me kill him. Okay, right here, right here, right here. I'll give you time. I got it for 100. No. Okay, I got it. Thanks, friend. Where else could be? I don't think they're there. I think he's there. Let me get up there. Let me check. Yep, he is. And there we go. We just... Oh no. Okay. Landing here. Landing right here right now. And you are dead. Oh no. Got it for 10. No, how did they? What? Just serious. Let's go, we won, baby. So there we go, we won. Let's play again, guys. Please, you have to like and subscribe. We are playing again. Okay. Stop it! I'm gonna up there. Ooh, I lasered it. Oh my god, there's one right there. Let me shoot that guy. I don't want that guy to shoot me. I'm gonna build my lane. Let's go, okay. That guy was shooting me right. Oh my god, no. If he shoots me one more time, bro, I'm dead. Tell them I'm dead serious. No! What? I was building my 90 and somebody shoot me from somewhere. So... So we are playing. Okay, I got him, he's dead. There's one right here. I got it for 20. Better go away. That's what I mean. That's what I mean. Yeah, you're dead. There's one more coming, friend. On my left. Got it for 40. And there we go. We won. So let's play one more time. Like 3 more, 4. I don't know, but we are gonna play more rounds. And let's see what happens. So let's start right now. So, okay, I'm ready. One more person. Come on. So guys, like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. If you hit the like button, it'll turn blue. I really appreciate it. Okay, so I have to. Okay, let's go. Okay, I have to go here. Am I not moving? No, I can't move. I can't move. Oh no, I'm dead. Oh, now I get it. Where is it? I got you, friend. I got you. Got you, friend. There's one coming right on top of me. Oh no, I'm getting lasered. Lasered. Who's lasering me? Bro, who is doing that? I'm looking up there. Here. Here. I think somebody's bullying my friend. Yep, I see him. You can't bully my friend. You can't swing me. There goes my 90s. Okay, there we go, we won. Guys, so my last round, I hope you liked the video. It's my last round. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please enjoy the video. This video is fun. You could download this video on, you don't have to download it. It's on Google. You have to write 1v1 and then done. So let's play the last round. Here we go. There you go, he's dead. Okay, my friend killed him, not me. I'm just gonna land on top of that guy. No, 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 no. I'm running away. Okay, that's what you get. That's what he gets, okay. Guys. Oh no, 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 no. So guys, enjoy, and I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and bye.